Kayla, and today we're going to talk about anger. Anger is when we feel mad or irritated. Anger is a completely normal emotion to have, and it's okay to feel angry. Sometimes we use colors to identify our emotions. What color do you think about when you think of anger? Can you guess what color I think about? You guessed it, red. I want you to think of a time that you were angry. Maybe a sibling or a friend took something that was yours without asking, or maybe someone said something that was really hurtful to you. Or maybe an adult told you that you couldn't do something that you really wanted to do and it made you really angry. When you were angry, how did that make you feel? Were you hot and sweaty? Did your heart beat super fast? Did you feel your fist clench up like you wanted to hit something? Did you want to scream really loud? Maybe you just wanted to get away and not talk to anyone. We all know that it is not nice to scream or hit people. It is important to realize when we're getting angry so we can utilize our coping strategies to help us better manage it. I'm going to go over a few ways that will help you cope with anger, and you can find what is best for you. One thing I like to do whenever I'm angry is take deep breaths. In through your nose and out through your mouth. I like to do this about 5 to 10 times. When you take deep breaths, oxygen is sent to your brain and it signals for your body to relax. And check out the description for a video on how to meditate and deal with anger. Sometimes our anger is so intense that we feel that we need to get our anger out. Instead of taking our anger out on somebody else, we can use exercise to help get our anger out. When I'm angry, I like to go for a run or hit or kick a punching bag or do some sit-ups or push-ups. Exercise increases endorphins, or feel-good hormones that help boost our mood. Stress balls are also a good way for whenever you're angry. Squeezing the ball really tight will help you release some of your anger. Check out the description for a video on how to create your own stress ball. Another thing that you can do to help with anger is by doing something that you really love to do. This could be riding your bike, watching your favorite TV show, or dancing to your favorite song. Whatever it is that you like to do will help you not feel so angry. Something else you can do to stay calm is by talking to someone you know and trust. Keeping your anger inside can make it feel really intense and overwhelming. Sometimes it helps to get things off our chest. By talking to someone that you know and trust, they can offer you guidance on how to better manage your emotions. And if you're not ready to talk to someone, you can always keep a journal. I hope this video helped you come up with some ways of your own that will help you deal with anger. And just remember, everybody gets angry at times. There is nothing wrong with being angry. The only time that anger is ever a problem is if it's hurting you or someone else.